Can't open links in apps? Here's the solution. Links not opening in apps can be frustrating, but it's usually easy to fix. Below is a step-by-step guide to diagnose and resolve the issue, whether you're on Android or iOS. Check your internet connection. Verify that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open a browser and navigate to a website, e.g. google.com, to confirm internet access. Restart the app. Close the app. On Android, tap the Recent Apps button and swipe away the app. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom or double-click the Home button, then swipe the app off the screen. Reopen the app and try opening the link again. Clear app cache and data, Android only. Open your phone's Settings app and navigate to Apps or App Management. Find the problematic app, select it, and tap Storage and Cache. Choose Clear Cache and then Clear Data, noting that this may log you out of the app. Check default app settings on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Set your preferred browser, e.g. Chrome, as the default browser. In the app settings, ensure Open Supported Links is enabled. On iOS, open Settings and scroll down to the app to verify any link-related settings. Set the default browser by navigating to Settings, Safari, or the third-party browser app.
Update the app. Check for updates in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for the app and install any available updates. Update your device software. Open Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, Software Update. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Check for updates and install them if available. Disable in-app browsers. Some apps use their own in-app browser to open links, which might cause issues. Open the app's settings and look for browser or link opening preferences. Enable an option to open links in your default browser instead. Test on a different device or browser. If links still don't open, test the same app on another device to see if the issue persists. Alternatively, set a different browser as default to check if the problem is browser-specific. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the app. On Android, long press the app icon and select Uninstall. On iOS, long press the app icon, tap Remove App, and confirm. Reinstall the app from the App Store and try again. Contact app support. Locate the app's support contact information, typically found in the Settings or App Store description. Submit a ticket explaining the issue and include details like your device model, operating system, and app version. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with links not opening in apps. If the problem persists, consider checking for broader system issues or contacting your device manufacturer's support team.